Welcome to UVR Mathematics. I am UVR as a math teacher. Today we will learn the topic questions based on the trigonometric identities. ఈరోజు మనం త్రికోణమితి ఐడెంటిటీ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయో నేర్చుకుందాం. సో ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, షో దట్ root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta అని మనం చూపించాలి. సో సొల్యూషన్, సో LHS is equal to, that means left hand side is equal to square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. You can multiply and divide by the equation 1 plus sin theta. మనం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ని 1 plus sin theta సే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మల్టిప్లై and divide by 1 plus sin theta. So that is equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, that is square root of. So here 1 plus sin theta is also called RF, that is the rationalizing factor. అకరణీయ కారణ రాశిని కూడా మనం అంటాం. that is equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square theta, that is square root of. So square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin theta whole square. So this is equal to, here we know the identity cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. అంటే మనం 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా కానీ కనిపించినట్లయితే కాస్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా రాసుకుందాం. 1 ప్లస్ సైన్ తీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై కాస్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా, దట్ ఈస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ప్లస్ సైన్ తీటా బై cos theta whole square, that is square root of. Here square and root will be cancelled, that is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. You can separate the terms, that is equal to 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Here 1 by cos theta is equal to, that is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Here we can prove secant theta plus tan theta. that is equal to RHS. Next question. Show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Solution. That is LHS is equal to tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So LHS is equal to tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. We can write tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta can be written as tan square theta into tan square theta. మనం tan power 4 theta అని tan square theta into tan square theta రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో కామన్ tan square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. We know the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. మనకి secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 అనే ఐడెంటిటీ తెలుసు. From this secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So here we can write the replace of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So this is 1 plus tan square theta. We can write tan square theta into secant square theta. And also the replace of tan square theta is tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. So you can write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. You can simplify secant square theta into secant square theta, secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta into 1 secant theta. So we can prove secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. This is the RHS. Next question. Simplify secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta. సో మనం దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. సొల్యూషన్. సో secant theta into 1 plus sin theta, secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta, that is equal to, so secant theta into 1 secant theta minus secant theta into sin theta into secant theta into secant theta plus tan theta. So here secant theta minus sin theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to sin theta by cos theta into secant theta plus tan theta. And secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta. Here this is a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write secant square theta minus tan square theta. We know the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this value is equal to 1. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. In a next video, we can continue the questions based on the trigonometric identities. మనం trigonometric identities మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.